How to Fix Facebook Messenger Auto Logout Problem 2026 Guide. Is Messenger automatically logging you out again and again? This usually happens because of app bugs, cache issues, security settings, or account conflicts. Let's fix it step by step. Fix 1. Update the Messenger app. Open the Play Store or App Store, search for Messenger, tap Update if available. Outdated versions often cause login problems. Fix 2. Clear App Cache Android. Go to Phone Settings, tap Apps, then tap Messenger, tap Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Do not clear data unless necessary. Fix 3. Check Facebook account security. Since Messenger is linked to Facebook, security issues can log you out. Open Facebook, go to Settings and Privacy, then Security and Login. Check where you're logged in. Remove unknown devices. If Facebook logs out, Messenger will also log out. Fix 4. Disable battery optimization. Some phones force close apps in the background. Go to Settings, then Battery, then App Management. Find Messenger, disable battery optimization, or set to No Restrictions. Fix 5. Reinstall Messenger. If the issue continues, uninstall Messenger, restart your phone, reinstall the latest version, then log in again. Fix 6. Check internet stability. Unstable internet may interrupt sessions and cause auto logout. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test. Update app, clear cache, check Facebook security, disable battery optimization, reinstall app, check internet. After these steps, Messenger should stop logging you out automatically.